most sacred code in the human body, DNA, is no longer sacred. It's software. That's not a metaphor. It's a paradigm shift. And once you understand this shift, you understand the real nature of what's coming next. In the past, your DNA was considered a fixed, inherited blueprint, untouchable and unique. It determined your height, your eye color, your risk of disease, your athletic ability, your intelligence, and your predisposition to certain behaviors. It was nature's law, and you were subject to it. But today, scientists don't see DNA as law. They see it as source code, mutable, programmable, editable. Thanks to tools like CRISPR-Cas9, base editing, and now even prime editing, we can go into the genome and rewrite it like lines in a script. A genetic typo? Correctable. A harmful mutation? Replaceable. A weak trait? Upgradable. Genetic editing is no longer science fiction. It is an operational reality in labs, startups, and increasingly, commercial medicine. But this isn't just about fixing diseases anymore. That was phase 1. What's happening now is far more radical. The movement toward elective gene editing. We are beginning to edit DNA not just to survive, but to compete, to adapt, and to enhance. In 2024, a wave of biotech companies began offering CRISPR-based embryo screening and editing services to private clients. While public messaging focused on eliminating genetic diseases, the private options began to include cosmetic optimizations. Think taller stature, enhanced memory retention, reduced need for sleep, and improved muscular development. One company pitched its service to parents as a way to unlock your child's best potential. What we're seeing is the beginning of designer biology. It's framed in terms of health and potential, but it's driven by competition. And once one child in a classroom is edited for increased cognitive function, the pressure on other families to do the same becomes immense. The result is a genetic arms race disguised as healthcare. More alarmingly, the focus is now shifting toward adaptive editing, modifying DNA not just for beauty or IQ, but for environmental survival.